Ew, this horse is so yummy. It is really yummy. Get away. I'm gonna eat now. Sandspike, I am the alpha of this pack. Have you forgotten that? Sandspike, get back right now. You're behaving disrespectfully to your alpha. Yes, the alpha that crippled my mate. What? I didn't hurt your mate, Ashipel. You did. Heavy Step said so. What? Heavy Step said I hurt your mate on purpose? Yes, he did, and he's right. I would never have done that. Please, Sandspike. I'm not that cold-hearted. Okay, I'm sorry for snapping. But really, it was a bit hard. Like he said so. I'm gonna have a word with him. But please, Sandspike, don't believe that stuff. I would never, ever hurt your mate. But just enjoy the meal, okay? And please don't believe that fox dumb. Oh, great. Now who am I supposed to believe? Finally. Omega, I want a word with you. What's wrong? I'm gathering moss for the bedding. I'm gathering moss for the bedding, Alpha. What do you want? I want to speak with you about you telling Sandspike that I crippled Ashipel on purpose. What? I didn't say that. You did. Well, in that case, I'm sorry, Alpha. I need to collect moss now. Oh no, a chunk fell down. Heavy Step, come back right now. Heavy Step, come back right now. Okay, sorry, I just needed to get this piece of wayward moss. Heavy Step, you are coming back right now. What do you want? I want to know why you said that I crippled Ashpelt on purpose. Oh, I don't know why I said that. Let me get this moss. Now, please. Come back right now. Omega, Heavy Step. Come back now. Okay, I give up. Wow, that was a good move. Where did you learn it? From Alpha. Can you show me how it goes again? Please? Ferncreek? Okay, Graysilver. Look closely. When your opponent goes at you and tries to grab you like this and push you to the ground, you bite the paw like this. And then the opponent usually stumbles and you can throw them to the ground when they are already unbalanced. Wow. I never thought of that before. Well, that's a good move. Come on, let's train somewhere where the ground isn't so harsh under paw. Okay. Ferncreek! 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 Another good weapon you might have is speed. You always have to try to be faster than your opponent. Okay. That's unfair. Why do you always win? I got a bit more training than you did, Graysilver. Yeah, from Alpha. I want training from Alpha too. Come on. Got you. Yeah. Good, Graysilver. Speed is a very strong weapon. You finally realized that you must try and counter speed with strength. Yeah. But you weren't ready for me twisting out from underneath you. Oh, come on. This is unfair. I keep on losing. You don't keep on losing. I do. Do not. Do not. Ferncreek, please. Why do we have to drill for battle? It might not even come. When Alpha says a battle is coming, and battle is coming. And as far as I am concerned, there's only been battle between Flame Pack and us, and Marsh Pack and us, and all kinds of other wolves. A battle is really coming and we need to be prepared. So Alpha asked me to teach you some of her moves. Okay. Can we go home now? Back to the den, to the pups. Okay, lazy wolf. But first I want to teach you another move that I want. Okay. Now, try and charge me. See? You dodge aside and then you push your paw against the opponent's temple. It's a very good move for blocking a charge. Try it on me. Come on, Graysilver. You are not using your weight enough. You sound like you're alpha already, teaching me battle moves, and I'm just the apprentice. Well, right now, Graysilver, you are just the apprentice. Okay. That wasn't exactly a charge, Graysilver, but it was better than nothing. Haha. Okay, can we stop now? I mean, I'm not exactly learning a lot. You are, Graysilver. Okay, just one more move. Okay, but do it quickly. Okay, Graysilver. Now let's try to charge again, just this time different. Okay? Charge me. What was that? Do it again. See, I knocked your paws out from under you. It's a good way of blocking a charge. Okay, but can we go home now? I'm tired. Fine. Thank you. So you really think there's gonna be a battle coming? Yeah. Okay, that's kind of scary. Well, of course there will be a battle coming. Now, I suggest you come with me into our little prison.